BBMA video series part 3. Today, try to identify BBMA code REE, Re-entry Extreme Extreme. This is called daily time frame. First, finding re-entry. Here we have daily CSAT by re-entry at goal. Now you know what is CSAT and how to identify it. If you missed part 1 and part 2, check the description. Now filter out time frame 2 for our time frame. For our time frame we have extreme setup, moving average 5, pass over low BB, BBMA code R and E complete, and now moving to time frame 3 to find last re-entry. One hour time frame also have extreme setup. Moving average 5, pass over low BB. Now our code is completed. Daily re-entry for our extreme 1 hour extreme. As you seen, you feel that this is how easy, but when you go to real live market you need more practice to identify those 3 stages of BBMA. Knowledge is not enough for trading but also need experience and practice. Time frame 3, we always waiting for CSAC setup to enter at moving average 5, 10 low. Practice is a must need to get profitable entries. It will give you good risk rewards. Next part will coming next week of this BBMA series.